So today I'm going to be doing a video I've been wanting to do for a long time, and that is how to get out stains out of coffee cups without bleach, with natural methods. Really easy, it doesn't take a lot of time, but I know that a lot of times we spend money on teacups, on coffee cups, and when they get stained and nasty, it's a little upsetting. Even after going through the dishwasher, they're still stained. So I went ahead and kind of experimented a few years back, found this method, and I'm going to go ahead and show it to you now. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the like button to let me know that you enjoyed this video and you want more. Thank you. Bye. Alright, so I have this mug, which, as you can see, has a lot of staining and grossness inside, and it has been washed through the washer. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of water, about that much, just a little bit, and then I'm going to take my baking soda, take about that much, drop it in there, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take my finger and kind of rub it about. And actually I need more. You want to make it into a paste, so I'm just going to like drop it in there, and then I'm just going to kind of rub it around. It did make a paste. Add a little bit more water if you need, but I'm just going to do this. And if you look, you can see that it's all gone. All that nasty stuff is now actually kind of staining the scrub, and then you just take the water, you rinse it out. And then you grab a rag, dry it off, and as you can see, no more staining. And I'll go ahead and do another one. So this one's white, and it's been through the wash, and just getting it wet actually. You still can't scrub it off. It's not coming off. So again, I'm just going to take some, I'm going to make a paste with it. I put too much water in here, but it still works. As you can see, it's just, I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can see where I've been and where I haven't been. And I'm just taking it all and just rinsing. And boom! There's no more at all, and you don't have to use bleach. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!